Number 1. The 1968 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $10,000, located in Montrose, Colorado. This great car is still suitable for daily use with only 40,000 original miles. The original engine and transmission are in good working order, and it comes with a functioning AC. Some modifications have been made, such as an aftermarket carburetor, valve covers, and a disc brake kit. However, there are some flaws, including rust in several areas, missing window trim, non-functional door locks, and leaks around the windows and doors. The window rails need repair as they are not fully operational, although they can still be rolled. The window rubber on the doors and rear glass needs replacement. The alternator sometimes makes a noisy sound. In this condition, the car can be driven as is or serve as a promising restoration project. The car comes with clear Colorado paperwork. Number 2. The 1968 American Motors AMX, priced at $10,000, located in Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. This is a highly sought-after classic car, but it is currently a major restoration project. The installed engine block is not the car's original, though other key components, such as the cylinder heads and intake manifold, are included. These parts are almost complete, except for the rotating assembly. Additionally, the seller is including an extra engine block with a rotating assembly, although the extra block will need machining at a machine shop. Externally, there is structural damage to the driver's side frame, specifically in front of the strut tower, which requires pulling with specialized equipment. Furthermore, the interior needs significant attention. The carpet is not installed, but the original seats are in good condition with no tears. The seller is also including original rally wheels, which add value, though some details like the dashboard and trim may require repairs or refreshment. Number 3. The 1979 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $7,000. Located in Bangor, Maine, this car is in excellent condition. The exterior features a two-tone jade green combination with a hardtop, opera windows, and white wall tires. The all-green interior, made of original vinyl material, remains intact, although the dashboard clock does not function. The car has very low mileage, just 26,000 miles, and is equipped with a 5.0L, 302 CID V8 engine, automatic transmission, front power disc brakes, and power steering. Additional features include AC, tinted glass, and an AM/FM stereo. Every part of the car, interior, exterior, and powertrain, is original. The vehicle has been routinely maintained with the replacement of parts like belts, wires, and the battery as needed due to age. It has been in the family since new, always stored in a garage, never driven in snow or on salted roads, and won the second place Best of the 70s award at the Bangor Waterfront Car Show in 2019. This car is being sold at a relaxed price, making it a unique opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Number 4. The 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced at $7,800. Located in Phoenix, Arizona, this car is in decent condition for its age. According to the seller, it has a clean title and only minimal repairable rust. The car features a straight-six engine with a floor-shifted manual transmission and runs and drives without issues like smoke or unusual noises. The brakes and tires have been replaced, although the car lacks factory power steering. The exterior has been repainted several times, though the exact engine condition or service history is unclear. The interior is well kept, with only a small tear on one seat and a few missing knobs, but it is about 99% complete overall. The underside of the car is solid, with no significant structural damage. This car is an excellent choice for classic car enthusiasts looking for a light project, or even a vintage daily driver that is ready to hit the road. Number 5. The 1963 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, priced at $8,000, located in Hamilton, New York. This classic car still holds great potential for restoration, though it requires special attention. The engine runs well, and both the floor and trunk are solid, indicating the vehicle's main frame is sturdy. However, the body shows significant rust damage, particularly on the hood, doors, and trunk, caused by the car being left outside near a retaining wall for years. The interior needs repairs, especially the seats, whose upholstery is torn and damaged, though the dashboard remains in good condition with no cracks. The tires are in usable condition, but overall, the car requires bodywork and refreshing in various areas. And sold as is with no trade options, this car is ideal for classic car enthusiasts ready to invest time and effort into restoring this legendary vehicle to its original glory. Number 6. The 1976 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $5,000, located in Show Low, Arizona. This car is in excellent mechanical condition and offers a comfortable driving experience. Built on a Lincoln Mark IV chassis, it still uses the original 460 engine, delivering classic performance. With fuel consumption at approximately 12.5 mpg and a currently full tank, the car includes numerous updates, such as new white wall tires, a radiator hoses, alternator, battery, heating system, timing chain, and an Edelbrock carburetor. Features like cruise control, power windows, heating, and the radio are functional, though the AC has a Freon leak. The exterior is straight and clean, with minor issues on the upper body seam that could be fixed with a vinyl top. The interior retains its vintage charm, featuring luxurious blue leather seats. The car is sold at a fixed price with no trade or installment options and is reliable for long-distance travel anywhere in the US. Number 7. The 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $6,000, located in Norwalk, Connecticut. This car is in excellent condition and has undergone significant modifications. It retains the original 400 cubic inch engine with matching numbers and a 350 transmission fitted with a Trans Go Shift kit. The body is painted in a bright Chevrolet Corvette torch red, adding a striking classic appeal. The wheels are 7-inch Summit Racing Rallies with 275/15 Cooper Cobra tires on the rear. The engine system has been upgraded with a Comp Cam Mutha Thumper camshaft, roller tip rockers, a Torquer 2 single-plane manifold, two 1/2-inch exhaust pipes with Walker mufflers, a new fuel tank, and a 3-core aluminum radiator. The interior has also been refreshed, including renovated front seats and a reconditioned steering column. This car combines timeless classic aesthetics with outstanding modern performance. Number 8. The 1974 Plymouth Scamp, priced at $10,000, located in Mogginsville. This car is intriguing despite not currently starting. Until about a month ago, it was driven regularly with good engine performance. The owner suspects the ignition system is the issue, and while the ballast resistor has been replaced, the problem persists. The car includes several appealing features, such as a hidden Bluetooth stereo in the trunk, functional air suspension, polished and repainted bodywork, and an additional set of steel wheels with hubcaps. However, there are some downsides, including hail damage, minor rust, weathered vinyl roof covering, and aging tires. Overall, the car shows potential for repair and revival, though buyers should consider the need for further fixes and might require a trailer to transport it. Number 9. The 1964 Oldsmobile 88 Dynamic, priced at $9,000, located in Holland, Michigan. This classic car features a 394 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It is a running project vehicle that requires additional work to reach its full potential. The engine and odometer indicate 45,000 miles, believed to be original due to minimal wear on the brake and gas pedals, as well as the interiors. The seats are in good shape, though the front seats need new foam padding. New carpet has been installed to replace the missing one. Brake and exhaust work has been completed, but there is a manifold leak. The frame and trunk appear solid, and new metal has been installed in the rear floor. The exterior likely retains its original paint with some bodywork involving Bondo. The tires have good tread but are old, making them unsuitable for long trips. Accessories are present but untested. This car is ideal for classic car enthusiasts looking for a drivable project. Number 10. The 1963 Pontiac Tempest Le Mans, priced at $9,000, located in Albany, Wisconsin. This vehicle comes with a slant 4-cylinder engine and transaxle transmission. It remains mostly original, with some repairs completed. The engine runs well but needs fresh fuel and oil. The paint has been refreshed, yielding a decent finish, though imperfections are noticeable upon close inspection due to subpar prep work. Minor damage includes a dent in the hood from a broken garage door spring and a small hole in the passenger floor, but the body is otherwise solid. The interior maintains its classic appearance, and the ignition system has been repaired with new parts. Previously maintained by its owner before being parked for several years, the car is now ready to be used again. Number 11. The 1969 Mercury Monterey, priced at $9,000, located in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. This car is in exceptional condition, with a glossy dark brown paint job that exudes elegance, paired with a cream white roof for a striking contrast. The interior is clean, featuring cream fabric seats and an original-looking dashboard, now upgraded with a modern Kenwood touchscreen radio for added convenience. The vehicle is powered by a 390 Ci 6.4-liter engine and has received recent maintenance, including new ball joints, new front tires, and a functioning cooling and heating system. The windows are tinted, and the audio system includes 6 Memphis speakers for enhanced sound quality. The car has 70,000 miles and is open to negotiation. Number 12. The 1979 Pontiac Firebird Formula, priced at $9,000, located in Los Alamos, New Mexico. Originally equipped with a 403 engine and TH400 transmission, this Firebird has been extensively modified over the last 8 years since being purchased as a roller. It now features a rebuilt 355 SBC engine, though no documentation for the rebuild is available. Engine specifications include Dart Iron Eagle 64cc heads, comp cams, XE274H camshaft, Melling high-volume oil pump, Kevco oil pan with trapdoors, MSD 6AL2 ignition with programmable RPM limiter and timing control, and CompCam's Ultra Gold 1.6 roller rockers. It also has a Weigh-In Team G intake manifold. The exhaust system features Hooker Super Comp 1 3-4-inch headers, 3-inch stainless pipes, an X-pipe, and Kooks Racing mufflers with stainless V-band connections. The transmission is a Borg-Warner T56 from a 1994 Camaro Z28, fitted with a Ram billet aluminum flywheel, McLeod 450 HP clutch, and McLeod master cylinder with an AC Delco slave cylinder. Stripped for drag racing, the car has no interior, reflecting its condition as a shell when purchased. The trans tunnel was repaired to cover a large hole, and the car was repainted 6 years ago. Number 13. The 1962 Pontiac Tempest, priced at $3,500, located in Flemington, New Jersey. This classic model holds historical significance and is in running condition, though it requires a master brake cylinder repair. It features a unique trophy 4-cylinder engine, essentially half of a 389 V8, paired with a rear-mounted transmission. The exterior shows rust on the lower body panels, but it's not overly severe. The interior is in excellent condition, with well-preserved original seats and dashboard. Suspension and undercarriage display signs of aging, but remain intact. This car is an appealing choice for family-friendly outings and classic car shows. Number 14. The 1966 Ford Galaxy 500 XL, priced at $10,000, located in Lockport, New York. It is in running condition, powered by the factory original 352 FE engine, which has been upgraded with a 390 manifold and 3-inch exhaust. The underside of the car is claimed to be solid with no major issues. The interior is in excellent condition, featuring clean black leather seats. Some bodywork is needed, particularly on the quarter panels, along with a repaint to restore its full potential. There are minor body imperfections, such as paint scratches and rust around the rear wheel arches. The car is currently registered and has an active road inspection. The seller includes a full set of trim, additional items like window seals, and other spare parts. The car is also open for trade, with potential swaps considered for land, a camp, an old Rolls-Royce, or a rat rod. Number 15. The 1964 Mercury Monterey, priced at $9,000. Located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, the car is in fairly clean and well-maintained condition. It features a Mercury 390 4-barrel, 4BBL engine and an electric rear window breezeway system, which is still functioning properly. The exterior is rust-free since the car was originally purchased in Denver and has been in New Mexico ever since, where the dry climate helps prevent corrosion. The roof has been given a flake, glitter finish, but it can be removed if the buyer wants to repaint the car in its original color. The seller is including a gallon of hot rod flats paint. The braking system has been recently serviced on all 4 corners, and the water pump and battery are new. The car runs and stops well. The interior is clean with no tears in the seats, and the headliner has been replaced. This car also appeared in Season 2 of the Netflix series Dark Winds. The asking price is very reasonable OBO, or best offer, with room for negotiation. The seller is open to questions but is less interested in trades unless it's for another classic car. Number 16. The 1969 Buick GS, priced at $9,800. Located in Cedar Edge, Colorado, it is in decent condition for its age as a classic car. The exterior shows some signs of age, with paint that has been repainted once or twice and areas that require further touch-ups. The interior appears partly original, although the front seats have been replaced with non-original ones. The car is equipped with a 455 engine currently installed under the hood, and the original 400 engine is available but needs verification. The car is running, with fluids serviced, including a recent oil change. It features air conditioning, cruise control, and an aftermarket shifter. Rust is minimal, as the car has been garage kept for around 10 years. Located in Cedar Edge, Colorado, it is being sold as is. Number 17. The 1978 Chevy Camaro, priced at $8,000. Located in Tiverton, Richmond, the car has a gold-brown body equipped with a Z28 body kit. The interior features dark brown leather seats that show signs of wear and need minor repairs. The steering wheel is rusty, and the dashboard shows aging signs. While the exterior is reasonably well maintained, there are areas with dull paint that may need touch-ups, and there is possibly minor rust on the body. There is no significant frame damage, no frame rot, and the car is in running condition. However, the trunk key is missing, and the ignition key has been replaced. The owner has strong sentimental value attached to this car and prefers selling it to a serious buyer who appreciates its historical value. Additionally, the owner is including a set of Keystone Classics and rally wheels as a bonus. Number 18. The 1979 Ford Fairmont, priced at $4,500. Located in Williamstown, New York, it is equipped with a 3.3-liter inline-6 engine and a C4 automatic transmission. The car has an original mileage of approximately 75,000 miles and runs well, having recently completed a long-distance drive from Minnesota to New Jersey without issues. However, the air conditioning system requires a recharge. The exterior has a few small dents and light scratches, but no major damage. There is a small rust spot in the trunk, which is a minor repair. The interior is in decent condition, with signs of use. The car is ready for immediate use or can serve as a modification project, particularly for an engine swap. Several spare parts and additional manuals are included in the sale. Number 19. The 1964 Ford F-100, priced at $9,000. Located in Santa Fe, New Mexico, the truck is in fairly good condition for its age. It retains its original 223 straight-six engine and is drivable with a manual transmission. The transmission's first gear is a granny gear, so the driver usually starts in second gear. While the gear shifts feel slightly loose, the truck is drivable without significant issues. The interior is reasonably well maintained, with white upholstery showing minor wear. The exterior has neat brown paint with minimal rust, as the truck was previously located in Arizona, which has a dry climate. This truck is a great candidate for restoration for classic vehicle enthusiasts. Number 20. The 1985 Buick Riviera, priced at $1,000. Located in Pueblo, Colorado, the car is non-running and has been stored without use for the past 2 years. Visually, the exterior body is in decent condition, with white paint that appears intact and free from major damage. The interior, although complete with classic features such as a padded steering wheel and wood paneling, shows signs of aging, including dust and the need for a deep cleaning. The car has some modifications like chrome skull accents visible in the photos. The vehicle requires basic maintenance such as a tune-up to restore functionality. Overall, this car has significant potential to be restored into an elegant classic with proper care and attention. Thank you, dude. Hope you have a great day and don't forget to subscribe.